If you have been importing product or source product from China using Xianyu or Idlefish Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to ask for your refund before sellers send out your goods in Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Xianyu app. So I'm going to open my Xianyu shopping app right here. So allow it to load up. So having opened up your Xianyu shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on your profile icon right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then you have all the products purchased right here. Next thing you want to do is to look for the one you want to ask for your refund. So go ahead and click on here. Then this is going to prompt up. Go ahead and click on here and follow the prompt. This is indication for a refund. Once you apply for the refund, and the refund will be granted instantly, provided that you make payment with your Alipay in Xianyu Chinese shopping app, and you get your money back 100% guarantee. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Xianyu shopping app, consider to subscribe. Lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.